Hey folks, if you want to supercharge and dramatically enhance your electroculture efforts, one of the things that you can do is actually transmit very special frequencies that have been designed to accelerate plant growth and retard or repress decay. So if you're in a situation and you've got plants growing, you've got a crop, you've got some kind of vegetation that might be experiencing diseased tissue, like the plant is in a state of decay. By using special frequencies in conjunction with your electroculture equipment, you can dramatically improve that plant. There's samples on our website that show exactly how this is done. Following this brief introduction, we'll describe more about what these frequencies are. The frequencies that we've developed are typically used for health and wellness, self-improvement, and we've got a track record now of over 15 years. But an area of special study within our online groups has been the application of this frequency technology directly to plant growth. In the comments section of this video below, you'll see a couple of links. It'll take you to the page that you're looking at now on your screen. I encourage you to check this out. What you're seeing right now is an example of a leaf on the left that was put into a toxic environment, and we watched the rate of decay over a period of time. On the right-hand side, we had a leaf in the same toxic environment, and you'll notice that as it was being treated by frequency, that the decay was pushed to the outside perimeter of the leaf, and that the total area of diseased tissue on the leaf was reduced. We've also seen amazing plant growth acceleration in a very short period of time when the frequencies were applied. So I want to encourage you to just check this out. If you're using electroculture, one of the things you should understand is simply using atmospheric electricity or just like a normal kind of, electrical discharge buildup. This is all well and good, but you can actually use specially designed frequencies that have intrinsic patterns of repair, regeneration, and accelerated growth embedded inside of them. There is no other technology on the planet that actually does what we do, and it's really remarkable to see this demonstrated, directly. So I would encourage you to check this out, see the links below, and if you have any questions, you're welcome to shoot them off.
Probably one of the most important things that we can experience on a regular basis is being able to still or calm the noise that's in our mind. If you can calm the mind and then also impart a kind of rhythm, a kind of swing, a kind of pattern that's suitable for the sort of experience or progress that you want to make. And so this is what our technology does. We're the only public domain technology that actually provides what we do, certainly to the specificity and to the strength that our frequencies exhibit. So what we have essentially are tracks that can be played audibly. They sound kind of like music, but they're complex tones. And what's actually happening there is a kind of stereogram. If you've seen a visual stereogram before, well, in our case, it's sort of an auditory one. And it's an information signal that's embedded in the soundtrack in a very special proprietary way. And so what this signal does is it represents a geometric topological landscape that represents a state or desired state that the body and mind should be familiar with. So what happens with the noise that goes on in our minds, this is a kind of chaos. It's usually asymmetric. It's not very pleasant. If it was a shape, it would be an unpleasant shape. What our tracks do is superimpose a different state, essentially holographically across the body and mind, And through entrainments, it imposes the signal and helps the person get back the kind of rhythm that they desire. So we have over 300 tracks. The subjects cover areas such as health, wellness, meditation, self-improvement, self-development, calming the mind. Some users report with some tracks psychedelic experiences, altered states, certainly enhanced sensory experiences, which are often claimed to border on the para or supernormal. Our tracks embed well with other kinds of sounds. That would include nature sounds, electronica, ambient, classical. They don't embed so well in sort of harsh or chaotic instrumentals. Our technology is an excellent candidate for incorporating as an element into virtual realities, gaming, also for public events like sound baths, individual and community meditations and workshops. A very suitable tool for alternative health and wellness practitioners and services. It works very well when it's used in tandem with mixed wellness-related technologies and methods.